5 useful CSS generator tools that you should use in 2023. CSS tools to help you boost your productivity as a web developer. When it comes to making a beautiful and presentable website, you are almost always going to use CSS in some form or other. However, writing CSS is problematic. You have to write many lines of code, and keeping it contained and readable is an art form. Sometimes we don't have time to manually write CSS. That's where these CSS tools can help. Here I present a list of 5 free CSS tools that you can use in 2023, so let's get right into it. 5. Neumorphism. With the popularity of neumorphism design nowadays, a lot of designers and web developers want to use this type of design on web projects. Neumorphism is a useful tool for generating soft user interface CSS code for your design. It's an amazing tool that can help you when creating a neumorphism design. The tool gives you a lot of options. You can pick and edit the colors, size, radius, UI distance, and more. Give it a go and create something that you will love. 4. Shadows Brum. Need to generate smooth CSS-based shadows? Shadow Brum is an awesome CSS generator tool that solves that issue. With Shadow Brum, you can easily create beautiful and cool shadows without having to write CSS. Shadow Brum provides a heap of design options, including customizable layers and transparency. The tool then generates all the CSS code for you. 3. Get Waves. Want to generate beautiful SVG waving shapes for your website design? Get Waves is the tool for that. Get Waves generates eye-catching SVG shapes and waves for your project. It allows you to customize the shapes and edit them to suit your needs. Once complete, you can download the shape as an SVG or simple copy the SVG code to create the shape. 2. CSS Clip Path Maker. CSS Clip Path Maker is a tool that easily lets you take a picture and then use CSS to fit that picture into a shape. It then generates the CSS code for you. This tool uses the CSS property clip path, which enables the creation of complex shapes. 1. Animista. When it comes to CSS web animations and transitions, Animista is a very useful tool that gives you a full library of CSS animations that you can use on your project. Animista is an on-demand CSS animation library. Animista provides you with a pre-made collection of CSS animations that you can use in your project. You can edit, customize, and replay each type of animation, and Animista provides a heap of options so you can create the perfect animation you need. Then you can just generate the CSS code for your project. Simple. As you can see from the list above, these tools can be extremely beneficial if you want to save time and increase your CSS coding productivity. They enable you to create amazing things in a short amount of time without having to write a lot of CSS code.